I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can disable your UI navigation on your Roblox. But for disabling your UI navigation, first you need to find which key is responsible for enabling and disabling your UI navigation on Roblox, right? So let me show you how you guys can find that button. So for that, you need to click on the Roblox icon at the top left of your screen. Once you click on it, what you want to do is go on this section called Help. Now inside Help, it shows you UI selection toggle. So for me, it's backslash. So if I click on backslash, my UI will be on, and if I click on backslash, my UI will be off. So for you, you have to come here and see which button is for you. So once you see it, what you can do is just click on backslash, and as you guys can see, my UI is enabled. Now if I click on backslash again, it will be disabled. So let me show you, as you guys can see, just like this. That's how you guys can enable and disable your UI navigation in Roblox so you guys can start moving again. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Until then, have a nice day.